Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents how to start a manufacturing business. If you're thinking of starting a manufacturing business, here are 5 tips to consider. Assess your business model. Manufacturers have been around for more than a century, which means there's a wealth of information and education. Before you set up your warehouse management system and supply chain system, take the time to learn from other manufacturing models and apply best practices to your own initiative. Start with a manufacturing business plan. This plan should answer questions about the product or service, your competition, both the market and other companies. For said product, the skilled tradespeople available, startup costs and the type of business financial guidance and tools required. While you're building your plan, reach out to consultants in various fields, including finance, accounting and manufacturing. Reach out to industry sources. Ideally, before you start your business, you'll want to make sure you are aware of and have access to the resources available to support your manufacturing business endeavor. This includes materials, hydro and warehousing space. You could build a factory, but the ideal situation would be to find a factory that has all these resources already and purchase it. Determine the best location. When looking for a space for your manufacturing business, look out for transportation links to easily facilitate shopping and receiving of raw materials and final products, as well as access to and from your site for employees and customers, as needed. Cost does play a factor, and that can include any business taxes to set up in your chosen area. Be sure to evaluate these costs against the ease of having accessible links to your market. Recruit the right team. Every good business needs a good team. You'll want to surround yourself with experienced, enthusiastic team members who believe in the goals of your manufacturing business. Hire a top-notch financial team and great managers and allocate budget for skilled tradespeople. Remember, there are more jobs than people to fill them, so offer competitive salaries to find and retain the best employees. It is an exciting time in the manufacturing industry. There are uncertainties, but there are also opportunities for entrepreneurs to enter the industry and take advantage of the disruption that's happening. A manufacturing business plan, combined with a trusted group of experts, can help you take advantage of the flourishing industry. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.